you're a fan of Corsair products, then you'll know the 5000 series and the reputation that precedes it. These cases took what people loved about the 4000 series and levelled it up with more space, more airflow options and way more flexibility for more exotic cooling solutions such as custom water cooling. Now they've added the brand new Frame 5000D to the lineup. It keeps the same roomy mid-tower footprint as before but adds a modular twist. Think of it like the 5000D's smarter, more adaptable sibling. You still get that clean layout and great airflow, but now with standout features such as the new modular pegboard motherboard tray named Rapid Route 2, giving you the freedom to manage cables wherever you need, and support for reverse connector motherboards. It's as though Corsair looked at every builder's wish list and just ticked all the boxes. When it comes to hardware support, the Frame 5000D doesn't hold back. It stands tall at 556mm with a depth of 542mm, built from steel and tempered glass that feels as premium as it looks. Inside you'll find space for serious cooling. It supports up to 14 fans, including dual 200mm up front and radiators up to 420mm up top. It fits everything from mini ITX to full E-ATX motherboards, including reverse connector boards like Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero. You've got room for chunky GPUs up to 450mm long, tall CPU coolers up to 175mm, and plenty of storage with 6 2.5-inch SSD bays and 2 for 3.5-inch drives. The front I/O is generous too, 4 USB-A ports, a USB-C Gen 2 port, plus a combo audio jack for headphone and microphone. You get 440mm fans out of the box, with or without ARGB, depending on the variant, and dust filters on all sides to keep the internals pristine. It's a builder's case through and through. Bold, clean and ready for just about any configuration you can throw at it. So to demonstrate this, we actually had 3XS Systems build the Vengeance IQ Link 5000D, and it's a stunner. We've gone for the white Frame 5000D, powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D and mighty Asus GeForce RTX 5090 Astral, seated on an Asus ROG Strix X870A with 64GB of Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM, a Samsung 9100 Pro 4TB SSD, Corsair RM1000E PSU and Corsair's Titan 360 RX LCD cooler. A top-end build that shows what this case is really capable of. It really is fit for the top of the crop specs with a clean yet stylish look and feel, and plenty of cooling to keep all those top shelf parts cool. Compared to the original batch of 4000, 5000 and 7000D, the Frame 5000D leans a lot more into customization and builder-first features. It's not just about showing off your components, it's about making the build process smoother and more personal. And the modularity allows for future upgrades so the case can grow with you as your build changes. So there you have it, the newly revised Corsair 5000D range. You can really tell that they went into this facelift with a lot more in mind than a slightly tweaked front panel and fancier RGB. We're genuinely impressed with this one, and we're pretty certain that you will be too. Let us know in the comments if you're looking to buy one and what your specs and setup will be. And as always, the links to the products shown in this video will be in the description, so you can shop this and the rest of the 5000 series now at scan.co.uk.